Okay, awesome. I got kicked off, and so now I'm back. I don't know. I think my Wi-Fi changed, and so it just got all screwed up. Okay, anyway. Let's get back to this. Okay, just trying to get my stuff back together here. Okay. So I'm going to show this window. Okay. So what I've done is, let's do, is it this one? /home. Okay, got it. So I'm loading this up, but what we've done is we've integrated a form. This is continued. This is a second video. Okay, so I've already spent like an hour and a half building this out, but we have the form and we are putting together the chatbot that's going to respond when people put their information in here. Okay, so I used Claude to help me come up with all of this stuff. Okay. And then I had to build out a Q&A, Here's everything that it's, okay, so wait time. So what it's doing in the wait time part is it's saying, if you take less time, it's going to respond faster, but it's not going to take all the data into consideration. Okay. So if I do 10 seconds, it's going to give the AI 10 seconds to read through all the information. But you want to kind of balance between natural. If you make it respond right away, it won't give the most detail. I'll just say that. Okay. So you're going to give it maybe 5 seconds to look through. This is what it's going to use: the personality, the additional instructions, and the Q&A. Okay. So you're going to give it about 5 seconds to read this, or 10 seconds, or whatever it is, to read all of this and give an answer. Okay. You're going to give it a limit of how many responses that you want it to give. So around the 10 mark, it's going to kind of fall. It's going to stop and it's going to do the next thing. Okay. So let's go ahead and save that. So now we have the webhook. It's going to create a contact with the name and phone number, and then it's going to use conversation AI to promote my CRM. Okay. And let's go back to Replit really fast. Okay. Let's refresh this. Okay, cool. So now I put a glowing piece around that. I realized I did something. I'm going to open this up, copy this. Let's go back. Okay, let's go here. Oops. Go here. Go here. I'm going to make sure I add it in here too. So let's get rid of this. Let's put a column in here and add code. So I want to make sure I add it to all places. Okay. Okay. I've kind of lost all my viewers. I only had a few, but whatever. Okay, so I want to test this now. Let's do Myron, Briley, and my phone number. Failed to submit. Please try again later. Okay. Failed to submit. Please try again later. Interesting. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Replit and try, because there's something going on. Okay, on my deployed form, it's telling me there's an error. Let's see. Okay. So it's working in my development, but not my deployed app. Okay, let me go back here really fast. So what I need is okay. Let me try this again. I need to refresh this guy. So I'm having like a fail to submit problem. Let's see. Oh, that looks better. And it should go right away. Let's go over here and go to the automation. No. This one. Oh, there's Somebody's in it. When did that happen? Oh, that happened like 5 minutes ago. Okay. I'm seeing network error. Let me see if I got a message. I did. Okay. So I bet the problem is right here. There we go. Oh, no, that's what I want. Allow reentry, allow multiple opportunities. Yes. Okay, let's get rid of this. It's probably giving me an error because I'm already in it. Let's try again. It doesn't want to add me multiple times. Okay, so let me make sure I'm out of this. Get rid of that. Okay, I'm out of it. So I'm going to add myself back in. Let's make sure it gets submitted properly. It's like it's working here, but it's not working here. Let me take a picture of this. I'm getting this error when I submit in my deployed form. All right. Okay. So it's telling me there's something going on with the form that it might not like on the deployed version. Let's see. Oh, there's some hard-coded thing that will always cause a problem. Okay, so what I've done so far is I had AI help me build out a form. First, last name, phone number, and we hooked it up to the CRM. So, or no, I'm sorry, we implemented that form into the website, which was something. And then we hooked up the form. When they submit in the form, it goes to a webhook inside of our CRM. So it pushes that information to our CRM, right? And then we had the CRM start up a conversation. It creates a contact and it starts up a conversation with that person, so they can see what it would be like if they had a conversation AI on their website, right? Okay, for you to deploy site, remember that you'll need to update the forms script with your actual. There's a line you should update your actual. Okay. Okay. So it's asking me to. Whoops, I didn't mean to hit that. It's asking me to put the deployed stuff in there. So that's easy. Copy. Here is the deployed site. Yeah. So it's going to update. It had the wrong domain in there. So, okay. So yeah, I'm live streaming this on YouTube. How to do all this, how to use AI to help you build custom things for yourself, for your website, right? And I know this is like a solid 2-hour process just to build a form, put it into your CRM, get all of the questions in there. But honestly, um, since I'm building it out this way, I have so much more control over the design, over the implementation. I have a lot more control over what I'm doing, right? Okay. Please try to use it in the deploy. So I got to deploy again. So I updated the domain. Now I need to deploy one more time and then we'll test it. Basically what I'm looking for is it to go to this conversation AI. Let me refresh that to make sure it's not in there. And then what I want to do is have you all go to my website and test it. Okay. My website is getblastcrm.com. Getblastcrm.com. Okay, so it's almost done. And then I will refresh that. Okay. Okay, there we go. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. Now it worked. Now I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna refresh this. Let's make sure it pushed to the webhook. Oh, we have somebody already doing it. Yay. So yeah. Sorry, I'm showing your phone number on the Zoom or on the YouTube, but you should be getting. Yay. Okay, let me check my phone number or my phone. Cool. That was a solid 2 hours. How did I call that? I'm like, dude, I'm just going to go live for like 2 hours today and build out something for my website. And I'm going to show people how I do it. And there it is. So we built out this form. It's first name, last name, put your phone number, start a conversation. And then what AI will do is start texting you. And yeah, I saw Saad, you've already tested it out. Thank you so much, dude. But we did it. We got it put together. And yes, it took, let's see, how much did it cost? That was $3. And this was $3. So a solid $7 to have AI help me. I keep showing his phone number. I don't like it. Sorry, have AI help me build this form and have it hook into our CRM to start up a chatbot like that. So I'm going to post this on Facebook, but if you want to try it, just go to getblastcrm.com. You put your phone number in there and you can test out the bot and see what it's like. Okay. And that's all there was to it. And thank you so much for hanging on. I know I was streaming for like an hour and a half and then my internet crapped out. So thank you for hanging out. And I will see you on the next live. Okay. Thanks everybody. Bye.